my favorite young adult novels of all time. Even if you're not someone who is fond of this genre, you would still want to read this novel because of the fact how well it is written. John Green, with his amazing writing style, is going to make you turn pages after pages very smoothly. Apart from the writing style, if we talk about the plot, then I'll say Asa, the protagonist, the 16 years old girl who, along with her best friend Daisy, is trying to solve the mystery of billionaire Russell Pickett, because it is announced that whosoever is going to find Russell Pickett is going to be rewarded. So this novel is quite interesting in terms of a way of writing, and the plot is quite mysterious. While in the plot it is revealed that Russell Pickett is father of Asa's friend Davis. So the girls, both Daisy and Asa, have thought of would start the investigation from Davis's house, hoping that they would find some clue. But you're thinking of picking up this novel because you think that the novel is really mysterious, don't pick this novel up, because the plot is completely taken out of the fact of mystery to given it to the struggle of OCD and mental health issues. Because this is really a novel which talks about the headspace of someone who is struggling through all of those things. So if you're thinking that you want to read something mysterious, then this is not the sort of novel you would want to pick up. Certain things that I really liked about this novel. So let's jump into the good things first. The first thing that I really liked about this novel is the fact that how raw it is, because John Green has kept this rawness in the novel. He has not tried to romanticize or make anything make dramatic, make any big deal out of this Asa's struggle with OCD or mental health issues. He has not tried to do it, and I really liked this particular part of it. Also, there is this thing, because it is a novel about teenagers. So the teenagers are using their cell phones and all the gadgets every now and then, which we really do. So I think this is what is I really liked about the novel, because a lot of novels don't do it. We see in few of the contemporary novels, yes we do, but not a lot of writers do it. So I really liked it because it makes everything seem so real. John Green has done complete justice in discussing what really goes inside the mind of someone who is suffering from mental health or such inner struggles. So that depiction, that portrayal is very well done. So I think full marks in that. So this is what I really like. This is like the second thing that I really liked about this novel. The next thing that I like about this novel is friendship. The author has really shown a very special bond between Asa and Daisy. They are best friends and their bond is just admirable. I'll say that there is one line that is in this, it is throughout this novel, like you'll find it in every couple of pages. It is break hearts, not promises, and I really like this line. And this line is basically the foundation of Asa and Daisy's bond. And I'll say that the author didn't shy away from putting their bond in pickle at few instances, and the depiction of that is so real that you'll really find this thing very much admirable when you'll be just reading this novel. Another thing which is really special about this novel, which is the romance in the novel. There is Asa's friend Davis, who I've introduced, who I've told you about earlier. Asa and Davis haven't confessed their feelings towards each other, but they are so it smells like a perfect old school romance to me, because it's so beautiful. And I'll say that that particular innocence, that affection, that care that they have for each other comes really well out of the text, I'll say that. And I will also say that, and one thing I'll say is that the last line is really beautiful, but I'll not say what it is, so you might have to read it or don't go and just read the last line, but I'll say that the last line is quite beautiful. The use of internet for the means of communication or in general in our day-to-day life is very well shown. The author has just, there are a lot of instances when the different characters have been using means. It would be like Daisy using the internet There have been many instances when Asa has been using internet to send text to a Daisy, or just for the sake of communication. There is a lot of exchange of text, or be it Daisy writing a fan fiction, which I think a lot of, I mean, it's all very much relatable. And also, there's one instance when it has been elaborated in the novel that Davis has been writing a personal blog, which is a way to keep peace with his father going missing. So I find all of these things really relatable, and I think we all do it. We all use internet often. So I think this was very well depicted, and I kind of liked all of those instances when these things were, because these are part of our life and they have been explained quite well in the novel. And this is what makes the plot altogether binding. I have enjoyed reading this novel very much, and I think you should read it too. This novel might only make you cry, because I did cry. So I think you must read it, and you might also cry if you're a really sensitive person. Apart from all these things, if you want to pick up a good young adult novel, definitely go for this. According to me, I think it's a very beautiful novel. You must read it. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Keep supporting me so that I could make even more videos. And till the next time. Bye.